Vendor invoices can often slow down your finance operations, especially when you're waiting for your suppliers to send the invoices. But what if you could generate the invoices on behalf of your vendors? Welcome to Business Center 2026 Wave 1, where we introduce the powerful self-billing invoice feature designed to simplify purchasing, improve accuracy, and speed up the financial processing. My name is Anish Agrawal. I work as a senior manager, D365 Business Central with the market. What is a self-billing? Self-billing is a process where the buyer creates the invoice on behalf of the vendor based on the predefined agreement between the vendor and the buyer. This eliminates the delay, reduces the discrepancies, and ensures the faster invoice processing. With Business Central, this is now fully integrated into the purchase workflow. No customization needed. See how it works in Business Central. First, let me go to the vendor list, and I can create a new vendor, and I'll just give a name self-billing vendor. Invoicing type, if you see how there is an boolean field called self-billing agreement. We need to enable this one. So once this is enabled, this indicates we have an agreement with the vendor to generate the invoices on their behalf. So for now, I'll just make it enable, and then what I can do, I can just quickly create a purchase order. So this works with the purchase orders and the purchase invoice both in the Business Central system. For now, I'll just create a purchase order, and then we can do a receive an invoice together. So let me create a new purchase order here. I'll select the self-billing vendor card here. So that is my V020, and under the item, I'll just take an item. I can do a GL or I can take a fixed assessment, but for now I'll just do a item, and I'll select the location on the quantity 1, and rest of the things will get auto-populated here. And now under the invoicing details, rest of the things will get auto-populated, which was on the vendor card. So here, if you see here, the vendor invoice number is uneditable in this case. So once your vendor is a self-billing vendor, then the vendor invoice number will be uneditable. You won't be able to enter the vendor invoice number. And if you want to capture any of your vendor details, like the invoicing number or so, then you can always use your reference field or any other comments for it. Yep. So what I can do, I can just click on post button here, and I'll do a receive an invoice. So before doing a receiving invoice, I would like to show you a small setup that is on a payable purchase and payable. So here there is a new number series added, which is called as an self-billing posted self-billing invoice number. So this gets auto increment once you actually post the invoices to purchase order invoices. So here I'll just select a self-billing. We don't have any, so what we can do, we can create a new one here. Self-billing. This is for self-billing invoices. And I'll just do a lines. I'll do a self invoice billing SIB or 001. Yep. Self-billing invoices 004 times 0 and 1. I'll keep ending date as an SPR-12345. Yep. Increment by 1, and now this self-billing invoice, I'll just keep on the posted self-billing invoice number series on the purchase and payable setup. Now when I click on receive an invoice, system will automatically generate a self-billing number as an vendor invoice number on the posted invoice. So here system has already posted an invoice. Let's have a quick check. So if I'll just say go to the posted invoice, I can actually see this was a SBI dash 4 times 0 and 1 is my vendor invoice number. So now there is another feature Microsoft added that is for printing the self-billing invoice or report. So at the moment, our report selection table is empty for this. So what we can do, we can do a quick report selection purchase, and here I'll just select the self-billing invoice here. I can select the report here. I'll just check self-billing. Yep. So that's the standard report 413. And I want to use this as an attachment as well. So now if I'll just try to print the report, so this is the report which as a Microsoft standard self-billing invoice for the posted invoices. So again, you can make a customization based on your requirement, but this is how it looks like, and it works in this way. We'll just quickly talk about the compliances. So vendor with the self-billing enabled cannot receive an inbound e-documents. This prevents the duplicate or conflicting invoices. It ensures a clean and controlled purchase process. So whatever you have an agreement with your vendor, if the purchase order is created with all the correct values, the same value will be used for doing an invoicing. So yeah, so it does not it cannot receive the inbound e-documents for processing the purchase invoice for the purchase orders. Yeah. So imagine you're working with the logistics vendors or the contract-based suppliers. Instead of waiting for their invoices every month, your finance team can generate invoice instantly, ensure the accurate billing, and close the financial period fastest. That's the power of self-billing in the Business Central. Self-billing invoices in the Business Central 2026 V1 are the game changer for the finance team looking to automate and streamline the accounting payable. Yep, thank you for watching your video. Stay tuned with me. I'll have some more videos which are the new features added with the Business Central 2026 version. Thank you.